Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to set up a Wix booking website. It's finally here, so step by step we are going to cover how you can easily create yourself a beautiful website that can accept any types of bookings, and by that making you more money, making you more successful, and your customers more happy. So yet again, what we are going to use on what we are going to need to make this thing happen, we gonna need account at wix.com. As you can see, I have a couple of websites running, and we are going to create one more just for the sake of showing you how easily you can do it as well. So first things first, we need to create ourselves an account at wix.com. Don't worry, it's completely for free, and you don't even have to commit with your credit card information. So what we need to do here is just in our workspace create a new site. In here we need to wait a bit to wait for first step of this journey, which is finding out what kind of website are you creating. I'm gonna write down booking, and now we can just book anything from these options. For example, Lash extension services, bootcamp, accommodation. Let's go with is there a barber? Yeah, let's go with barber. Next, what's the name of your business? Let's go M-Stone Barbers. Next, you can obviously skip the option and just come back to it anytime later during creating the website. So we have a chat here, we have a bookings, we can have online store if you want to sell also some kind of products, not only the bookings, but also some kind of hair gels, or I don't know, like barbers are taking care of your beards as well, so maybe this one. Then events, blog, obviously portfolio. You can have forum for your customers to share their experiences, and many more. So, but we want to start with chat and then the bookings, because those are the two extensions that we are going to use. Obviously we can skip it, but we are really curious about chat and bookings. Then we're gonna hit next. Now we can either start setting up your website and go to dashboard, or start designing our site. So we can begin with a template. You can go, if you click here, nothing crucial will happen. You can always go back to it. And here, step by step, you'll be adding these services. So add your first service. We are going to add the service. Here you are going to have a lot of options. So it's either appointment, classes, or courses. And let's go, and we can start from scratch. And service one will be man haircut. We have a quick intro to your service. It's optional. Also, description is optional. Duration 45 minutes. Buffer time, no need, I think. Barbers should serve only men, at least here in our country is this well known, or let's say common knowledge. So it's a per session price, or with a plan, or per session or with a plan. So per session it's gonna be fixed amount of 15 euros. Payment preferences, let's go with entire amounts online. Business address, we have to edit. Select the staff, you can easily add more people into your plan. You can also add images and many more. All of those stuff are not mandatory. All you have to do is basically name your the thing that you're doing, for example, cutting hair, and then just fix the price and then save it. Right now I have it, and it's the first one, haircut or men haircut. You can obviously add more into it, but for example, men haircut plus beard trimming or just beard trimming. That's at least at my barbers. So those are the three options. Obviously, if you are going with haircut and beard trimming, it's like 30 euros and it's full hour. So that's that. Let's go home, since we have some kind of booking services already at place. Set your working hours. 10 a.m., 6 p.m. Okay, those are okay. So set hours. Payment methods, connect custom domain. We don't have to pay attention to this. But what we have to pay attention to is our design site. So we're gonna click on design our site. And let's go with design template. So pick a template. That's probably the best option right now, since I don't really want to build the website with you, because you want to really implement your ideas and your personal touch into your website. So I'm gonna go with this kind of look of barbershop, and I'm gonna click on edit. Obviously, we have to wait a bit because it's a complex option. In here, we have our option. We have signature haircuts, yada yada yada. We can get and delete this one. We can delete gallery. Contact is okay. Our story is okay. But what we want to do, we want to manage pages. So, like here, we have, like this, we have a couple of options, and we want to click on manage pages. And there is about, and we want to add page. In here, when we click add page, there is a couple of options, and one of it is booking. Right now, we can add a Wix booking, or you can add a different extension, but Wix booking is the best option you can actually get. And wait a minute until it will add the Wix booking to your website. Other than that, people can just write you down an email with confirmation that if you have time for them. But with book online, you can easily turn it into place where people can straight away book the haircut. As you can see, it's already in here. So if we decide to create more services like haircut, as I said before, haircut plus beard trim, and then just the beard trim, those will be the three options that we have. People can just go, let's go to preview. So it's gonna take some time, and people can just book now, and they'll be able to pick from all those sessions that are free for them. Easily as that, because obviously you have home, about, gallery, contacts, and then book online option. And here they can just book their own time to get their hair done. If you have any types of questions, guys, please let me know underneath this video what you really didn't understand and what you need help with, and I'll try to answer you as quickly as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, for support, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.